Good morning! Welcome back to a new video, and as you saw from the thumbnail and the title, we are getting our floors today. So we're gonna go pick them up with our car. We're planning to rent a van, but actually our car can do it because we're anyways cutting them in half. So yeah, let's not waste time and go get the wood, and then we're gonna explain you why we're getting new wood instead of reusing something that we have already. So yeah, let's get started. Go get hard.
I think we're gonna be fine.
So here's all the wood in the storage room already, and we have let it for 3 days to sit here and adjust. They recommend 48 hours at least to sit in the room, and we're probably not going to screw it down just yet. Just because the wood is going to walk around quite a lot. It's going to be moving since the moisture is going to be changing, temperature is going to be changing. So if you screw it down, you can break all the wood and it can crack, or it can bulk up. So we're going to leave it unscrewed for now. I hope that's not going to create gaps once it starts moving around, but we'll see. And that we can adjust, since it's not going to be screwed down. We can then move it around and adjust it. So the reason we got new wood, a lot of people said I hope we use the old wood floors. This isn't going to be exactly the same look, so it's going to look exactly like the old floors. The problem with the old floors, they were all rotten, so we could not reuse them. The few boards we had, we reused for some other projects, and they were really not that good. Even though they were solid, they were still covered in holes. So yeah, they were not the best floor. Most of them you could probably fall through. So yeah, that's why we need to put new wood. And the other reason, we had the boards that we use for the chicken house and stuff, but they're covered in nails. They're crooked, so they are not very straight, so we could not router them or plane them because of the nails. So that's gonna create a problem. A lot of nails breaks off and they don't come out because they're so rusted in. And these woods, they are planed, they are calibrated nice and straight, and they have the routered in the connections, so you can connect them all together like a floor should be. So yeah, this is going to be a hardwood floor. They did have the oak option, but that is like double the cost. So I think this one is going to look pretty good once we oil it as well. I think we're going to go with oil, not lac, so we want to do it natural. And then maybe we can just smear wax on top of it. That's how you fill in the gaps and you keep the oil from drying out as well. So we'll see if, how we do it natural or not. But for now, we just need to assemble the floors and have them in. And then we're gonna find a way how we wanna treat them. And the last thing, we did save quite a lot of money. All these woods on this side, these are second grade, so they have some imperfections. They have like holes like this, which I considered not the first grade. This is first grade wood, so this is the most best wood that they have. And this is the second grade. They didn't have third grade. There's no such third grade floor. They don't use really bad wood for flooring. They use it for other building materials. Let's get on, cut it, and start putting it in. And then the hatch we're gonna do another day, because now we're just gonna get the floor in. I was thinking to put the wind barrier on top, but I don't know how much it will work. And I don't want to create such a layer against the wood where it doesn't get to ventilate. You do want your wood to get a ventilation ability, and I think this wood is clicking in so nice and tight that barely any air will come up, and I think we can deal with that. So yeah, so let's get started.
So they suggest to put them, we're gonna put them other way, because they suggest to have this one to screw it in here,
yeah,
so you don't screw on top.
Or you put screws.
Yeah, so you don't screw it from top, so they're not visible. So you have to screw them from the side in. So we just have to flip them around. We're just gonna screw them on, do it properly, the way they say.
Yeah.
So, because they have like a tutorial on their page of how to do it.
Okay.
So let's flip them around. So as you saw, we moved all those woods from there, and yeah, so we can continue nicely up, but we did not realize we have to do that. So now we have to take all that wood again away because we need to do this one. Otherwise, yeah, we cannot just do that and that at the end because they need to click together. Beautiful. Beautiful smartness.
Duxie? However you got in, you get out.
Ivi? How did you do that? She made it out somehow. And now the only thing we still have to do is the hatch, but you're gonna see that in an upcoming video. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. I'm really liking it. I don't really like how it looks like contrasting with the walls so much, because like, I don't know, because the walls are dirty, we need to clean them, we need to repaint them. We are gonna knock off whatever comes off, because some of the plates sound really hollow, like there's some cracks. So yeah, still quite a lot of work to be done here, but I am really happy with the floor. I think it looks really nice. Let us know in the comments down below what you think. I thought at the start it looks a bit like a plywood, or like one big piece of wood, but I think once we oil it or whatever treatment we're gonna do, let us also know in the comments down below what color, like what shade you would go for, because I really would like dark floors, because I don't have dark floors anywhere else, because we have the brick walls and it would be way too dark. So I think here in this room I was hoping we could do a bit of a darker tone on the wood. So let us know what you think. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Other way around.
Plus we're also gonna do this one's insulated, I think, this wall.
Yeah, we're thinking about it.
Because this is a single brick wall, same as the hallway, and it's gonna cool down the house way too much if we leave it. So better do it.